Well, we can't get in the driveway still. We have to snowshoe in and out. As you can see, my truck just sinks in it. It's our main road going out. It's as far in here as I can get. And we are a half mile that way. So bear with us. We're going to get our snowshoes on and we're going to hike in. Remember everybody, like, subscribe, and comment below. We really appreciate the support. It helps out our channel. Ooh, it's a cold one out here today. Hoping that just far enough for us to walk through. That's good right there. Okay, so we're getting through the gate. And off that direction we go. Yeah, how do you like your snowshoes?
I like them. I got these a long time ago.
Yeah, this is kind of fun. They're really easy to walk in.
Deeper than I expected.
Yeah, we're down here in the canyon. You can see all the fresh track over there. That's where the deer are going through. Yeah?
Lots of deer over here. You can see the track.
Well, we're trucking right along. We're about halfway in right now. This is our road that Wise goes out of that. This goes up the hill that way. Goes out around and goes down into the canyon. This is the canyon right here. Lisa's up there in front of me. How you doing, girl?
Doing good.
Awesome. A little bit of a hike in here. Not too bad. You can tell who's in better shape. Leaving me in the dust. Oh, it's just beautiful out here in this stuff. Wow. I'd like to see some animals walking through. That would be pretty cool. Seeing a lot of track. A lot of sign that they're in here. But we haven't seen anything yet. Trying to get back home. Back to the cabin. Yeah? We're about 3/4 of the way in now. Sun is just shining bright. Oh, geez. That's so awesome. We're probably about 1.5 foot of snow here. What do you got going on up there?
I see the pump house.
Pump house! Yay!
Almost there.
We're almost home. All right, we're getting close. Yep. There's the pump house. We're getting close to home. Doesn't look like solar's getting too much. Ooh. What a hike. Yeah, when the snow hits the ground over here, unless you're set up with a snowmobile, which I think it's a good idea for us to get, you're walking in. And we're here. This is awesome. And there's the cabin. There's home. Home. But I'll get up to the porch here and grab my walking sticks. What do you think, Lisa?
What?
Happy day to be home?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was kind of fun doing snowshoes.
Yeah. Yeah, you can still see around the cabin. Actually, how deep we have snow here at home. Yeah, still got a little bit. Yeah. It's actually almost completely covered our propane tank. But you can see all the tracks all over the place of all the animals that are walking through. Got a lot of activity. So we're going to drop off our snowshoes and head on inside. I'll get these bad boys off real quick. They come off pretty quickly. These are some we bought at Costco. You literally just pull on that, lift your foot, loosen it, then grab this, slide it sideways, lift your foot, see how it loosens it? Loosens it up, and then you step your foot right out of it. Just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. It's got a little strap right here. Just pull on it, loosens it up. Then you grab your other side, pull it down, lift your foot, and then you step right out. You don't fall on your butt first. And ta-da! Alright, I'm going to go inside where it's warm. Warm